Here at Prefix, we do so many different things in such diverse different markets that it just makes it a really fun place to be. Bottom line, we always say we make cool stuff.
So this part here is a fixture that is used to locate decals that are being applied to the side of a vehicle. Original fixture was 4 individually machined pieces that then were assembled together. By 3D printing it, we were able to make this much thinner, which allows much better visibility and accessibility for when you're applying the decal.
GrabCAD print was extremely helpful in getting these parts set up properly. It's extremely easy software to use. We printed these with a sparser infill to lower the weight significantly, but also maintain the strength.
The original fixtures were anywhere from 15 to 20 pounds, and we ended up at under 4 pounds.
We have a lot of projects that are going on at one time with a lot of parts, and we don't have the time to print a part 2, 3, 4 times to get it right. We need to have one and done, and we always get that with Stratasys.